Howdy and welcome back to Cooking with G. Today I'm going to be doing not beer. Yeah. So the ingredients are pretty simple. You need some water, metric fuck ton of sugar. I checked the internet. That's exactly how much you need. You need some molasses, which smells god awful. The ramen's not included. Don't need that. Then some yeast mixed with sugar. Well, I added water because it wasn't doing a thing. I'm sure it'll work out. Anyway, I'm going to start by adding this nastiness to the water. Gonna want to mix it about a little bit. Yeah. Takes a while to drip. Now once you're done with that, you're gonna want to add in the sugar. Oh yeah, look at that shit. Now you're not gonna want to add this yet. You're gonna want to mix that about and then add that. While you're mixing, you're gonna be really wanting to question, what is your real purpose in life? Is the only reason you're doing this just to occupy the free time you have so you don't question your own mortality? For me, that answer was yes. But for others, it may just be because they want to make beer. I don't know. Once you've got this nasty Lovecraftian design, you can now add in the yeast mixed with the sugar. Oh, yes. Alright, so it's all baked together now. It's all mixed in. Now you're going to want to put a little bit of a lid on top. But you don't want to have it on all the way because you need a little bit of airflow going. Not too much. Just enough for any unwanted air to get out. You let it sit like this for about 24 hours. And then after that, you close it off entirely and leave for, I guess, 3 weeks, perhaps a month. I'll be checking back in over the course of these couple days, weeks. Alright, it's been about 24 hours. I don't know, clock's broken. Anyway, you're going to let it sit like this for an extended period of time. As you can see, the jar is big as fuck. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to be checking in over the next couple days. Just kind of taking like quick little like 20-second shorts, just kind of looking at it, observing. Anyways, I'll be keeping y'all posted.